Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to switch back to personal or private account on Instagram. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into the video. Once you have logged into your Instagram account, make sure it is a public or professional account, then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon. Then click on the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see an option account privacy under the section who can see your content. Tap on it and all you have to do is to toggle the private account option, and here they will give you an option to switch it to private or personal, and once you click on it, Instagram will switch your account back to your personal account on Instagram, and that's it. Your account will be your private or personal account again. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us.